What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Today's video we're going to be working on the small block Ford. We're going to be installing cylinder heads. So I got the heads right here. These are AFR 220 Renegade heads, 72 cc's. They got upgraded springs. I got gaskets here, head studs, and I'll be spraying a little bit of copper on them, copper spray. So there's a motor, let's get to it. Installing these heads. So like I said, I got the head gaskets. We're gonna be spraying a little bit of copper spray on them. Start installing these studs. This is a 9.5 deck, so I'm not gonna put no sealant on the threads because none of the holes go through the water jackets. Just gonna put some of this ARP lube. Alright guys, let's get to installing these heads. I got head gaskets here. We are gonna be putting a copper spray in a little bit. But first, let's put all these bolts. I'm going to be putting the ARP Ultra Torque lube on them. And we do not put sealant on these bolts because these holes do not go through any of the water jackets. So you don't have to put a lot, just a little dab on them. These do not go torque down, just all the way to the bottom out.
Wiping the head surface with cleaner.
A little close up on the heads. Alright, so on the nuts, the washers, we're also gonna put some of the ARP Ultra Torque. And these go torque down in 3 stages. The final number is gonna be 110. 110 foot-pounds. So I'm gonna do 50, 80, and 110. I like to wear gloves when I'm putting this stuff on because, man, this thing's gonna be everywhere. So I'm just gonna hit them all with the impact just to get them all the way down. And they do go in sequence, so it's 1, 2, better. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Didn't realize camera had shut off while I started to torque the heads.
Well, there you have it, guys. Heads are on. During the process of installing the heads, I didn't realize my camera had shut off until I went to pick up the camera. I noticed, I don't know when, it decided to stop recording. So halfway of the process of recording, I wasn't recording. I thought I was, but I wasn't. So like I said, heads are installed, torqued. So thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for the next video. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. See ya.